Hi, this is John with WTI, and normally I always like to have some drinks around me. And when I found good options like this aloe vera with pineapple juice, it's just a great convenience thing for me. So one of the things I like about this is that even though you have the pulp of the aloe vera, it's not gonna be too strong because aloe vera by itself it's really strong. But with this juice, with the pineapple juice, this is a great mixture. You can use this for cocktails, but I just drink it straight with a little bit of ice, and it just tastes awesome. So all the things that you can find in this juice, it's low calorie. It's not gonna be too sugary, but at the same time, it's gonna have some great pineapple flavor. And the pulp of the aloe vera is that while you're drinking it, you're feeling the aloe vera inside with you, and it has some great properties. Aloe vera, you can say that is one of the healthiest things that could be in there. So I love this drink. It's a great flavor. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.